Guys, if we get a business problem like we need to do negative profit analysis, so how will you go about it in Power BI? So here comes two questions. First is, which is the best visual to use for it? Second, what all we want to show on the graph. So the answer to the second question is we want to show only the profit part, not the negative profit. Basically, we need to exclude the loss section from the visual. So how to go about it and which graphic to use for it? Coming to the new report, we will use a scatter chart for it. We plotted it. We will take profit, sales, and because we need to find out those customers also who has given us the negative profit, so we'll take customer name. So what is happening here? We will transfer the profit to the y-axis. Okay, so now this is the line for the break-even point where we had no profit, no loss. And below this line, all these bubbles. So whoever has been shown by this bubble, whoever customer, they have given us the loss, right? So when we click or put our cursor on the dots below this line, this is basically the negative profit because we have taken profit on the y-axis. So everything below this line is about the customers who have given us the loss. So basically, if we want to show only the customers who have given us the profit, we have to remove this section from here. So how to do that? Simple, filters pane. So here comes the role of this particular pane. How to go about it? We need to put a filter on the profit. So we'll go here on the profit is greater than 0. So we are saying whenever the profit is greater than 0, apply filter. What happened? All the area below this break-even point has been removed, and now the chart is starting from this line only. So basically now this visual is showing us all the customers who have given us the profit. So this is how we can use filter panes in visuals. So this is one of the examples. You can try this filter pane. You can use it in other visuals also, depending upon what kind of data you have, what all you want to show. So try this out, this filter pane on multiple visuals. I have shown you one example, but it will work with all the visuals perfectly.